Welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar Butt and today we are gonna discuss about an incredible upgrade about the Gemini, that is Gemini 3.0 Pro, and this is the Google's most powerful AI ever. So today I'm going to show you a lot of things actually about Google Gemini 3.0 Pro, and this is the newest and most powerful version of Google's AI. And what is actually Gemini 3 Pro? So this is the Google's upgraded AI model that has been designed to be smarter, faster and more efficient. It can understand like text, images, code, audio, documents, and even it can follow complex, and complicated instructions more accurately than before. And so you can think of it as your all-in-one intelligent assistant for creativity, automation, and also for productivity. So here you can see the new features we have of Google Gemini. So let me tell you, like for example, better reasoning. So it can think deeper and handle complex tasks easily. The second one, like you can see, improved understanding. So it analyzes actually the long documents with the more high accuracy. Natural conversations, so responds more like a real human. So this is also a good, perfect thing. And it also has advanced image understanding. So you can upload like charts and documents and also images for analysis. Coding power, like it can generate optimized and cleaner code in multiple various languages. And it has also faster speed. So this is also gives you quick responses even for heavy tasks. And more safety, like you can see, it has been designed to avoid, incorrect or harmful outputs. So more safety and security is here. So let me show you one prompt. So you can open gemini.google.com here, or you can go to aistudio.google.com. Here you can see we can select Gemini 3 Pro, and you can see ready to chat. So selected Gemini 3 Pro, and you can also open gemini.google.com. Here you can see like choose your model, so fast answers quickly, and thinking with 3 Pro you can see here. So you can see this one. So the prompt that build a colorful snake game with very stunning and professional user interface. So we will give this to build a colorful snake game. You can see here, colorful snake game with very stunning and professional user interface. So you can see what I have told to this, I have given the prompt to Google Gemini 3 Pro, like you build the colorful snake game with very stunning and professional user interface. So you can press enter or submit and it will start building the colorful snake game. So you see, you are not touching a single line of code, and Google Gemini 3 will build professional, stunning, beautiful and incredible game that you can, what you can do, you can, now you can save a lot of your time. You can build a lot of things. You can generate a lot of things using this upgraded AI model of Google Gemini, and you can, earn a lot of money because you can, you can upload these games and, on your website, on your applications, and you can monetize your website. So this is an incredible thing. So you can see the code is generating and it is working. So I will pause the video. Once it complete, we'll show you. You can see it is in the process. So once it's done, we can see the preview as well. Yahoo! So you can see we have generated the snake game, and you can see how stunning the dashboard of this game is, and without touching a single line of code, we have built the game. So you can see now the code is here and the preview is here. So in the code, you can see HTML like heading and header, all these CSS cascading style sheets and everything is here. And you can see now if you go to the preview, so we can play now. So if I click on play now, so you can see I can play the snake game and it looks stunning, you see. And you can see when I collect the point and the snake increase, and a beautiful animation you can also see when snake increase, see, and is beautiful sound effect also you can see here. So incredible, see. The dashboard of this game you can see is very good and it looks amazing. So whatever you have in your mind, you can build easily now here. And see, if I click here, so now the game is over and the score is 15 and best 15. So we can try again, or we can go back to the menu and see how easily we have built the game. Here you can see the code as well. And here you can see the preview of the game. So this is an incredible thing, as I told you about the Google Gemini. And see why it's better than previous version. If we compare the Google Gemini with the previous version, so there are a lot of reasons, but I will tell you these four, because see, the longer context, so it can handle longer context, okay, and it gives more accurate answers. And it also has been trained according to the newer information. And as I told you, it also supports advanced multimodal inputs. So this makes it one of the strongest AI tools available right now in the market. So this is one of the best AI tools now. And you can see how we can do a lot of things. I just showed you one single prompt, and you can analyze, you can understand the power of this Google upgraded AI model, Google Gemini 3. So you can try it, and you can, whatever you have in your mind, you can ask Google Gemini 3 Pro to build within few seconds, within few minutes. So in this, you can save a lot of your money, you can save a lot of your time, and even you can earn a lot of income now. So thank you so much for watching the video. And one more thing I want to tell you, like, who should use Gemini 3 Pro? This tool, according to my personal experience, is perfect for students, for developers, for designers, for content creators, for digital marketers, for business owners, and also for researchers. Basically, anyone who wants to work faster and smarter can use Google Gemini 3 Pro. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel so you can get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.